Hey all guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start registering video without having a further delay. So this video is going to the routine of 31st August 2024 of the day 269. So basically in this video I'm going to tell you the routine of 31st August 2024. But before going to the start today's routine video, I just only wanted to apologize to you because from the last I think 3 days, from the last 3 days routine, I was unable to shoot just because of the some reasons or my busy schedule. So this video is going to be the routine. So from now, I'll shoot the first last 3 days routine, that is skip days routine video. After that, I'll shoot the present days routine video at the time of evening. So basically now in your mind the question will arise that how I know that what I have done in the past days. So I've already in some days routine video I've already wrote down into the copy, and after that I also remember. So I'll start. So basically guys, this video is going to the routine of 31st August 2024. Now start. So basically guys, today I woke up at around 8:30, and after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came home, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I have taken the bath, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I used my phone, and after that I went for the sleep. Okay, basically guys, last night maybe I went for the sleep very late. This is the reason why after doing all the usual activities I came to the first floor and I used my phone, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically this is the reason which was actually happened. And after that I woke up around at 1 at the afternoon. It's literally guys very uh, very, I didn't get the word, what is that is very extremely bad thing is that I already woke up, and again I went for the sleep, and I woke up at 1 p.m. Sorry, 1 p.m. So it's literally not good. Okay, so so after waking up I went for doing the pee, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I ate food. What I ate today, I ate soya bean and raised gourd sabji, and reached gourd or reached gourd, I have a doubt, but I'll really soon solve it very soon. After that I have not done too much thing throughout the whole day. After that I came to the first floor, and after that I study, and after that again I went to the ground floor, and at the time of the evening I ate food, and went after eating the food I went to the bathroom, and after that I filled water in the bucket, and after that I went to the first floor, and after that I studied. After that I spent the time with my family, and went to the ground floor and used phone, and went for the sleep. So basically guys, I went to the sleep to the ground floor in the 31st August night. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened today. And I hope you'll understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then can you just like it, because if you like my videos it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a very continuously manner. So without any further delay, basically I regularly learn minimum 5 vocabulary words in a day, so so that I can increase my vocabulary. So if my vocabulary is increased, then what will be happen, then my speaking skills also increase, and simultaneously my fluency level increases day by day. Suppose that if I wanted to say in Hindi like that, मैं उसे देखकर हैरान हो गया. After looking there, after look there, when I look there, जब मैंने उसे देखा तो मैं हैरान हो गया. When I looked there, on that time I was totally, now what we call हैरान in English. So this is the thing which is I just only wanted to determine you that vocabulary is the must to increase your English speaking skills. So हैरान means like that, हैरान means astonished. Okay, and also the synonym of astonished is wonder. Okay, so there is too many and like that हैरान हो गया. I was totally shocked. 3 words, and हैरान is like I right now I know the words, 3 vocabulary. So according to me, I think that astonish is the perfect for this example. When I saw him, when I look there, I was totally astonished. So yeah, basically, yeah, I hope you really understand what I actually wanted to tell you about in case of vocabulary. Okay, so yeah, so our first, so let's start with learning the vocabulary. Our first word is gradually. Gradually means धीरे धीरे. क्या तुम यह काम धीरे धीरे नहीं कर सकते हो? Why क्या तुम यह काम are you not can you do this word gradually? I don't think that it is the right, maybe. So basically let me tell you, तुम धीरे धीरे चलो. You walk gradually. Our second word is wise. Wise means guys समझदार. Okay, so तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are wise. Okay. Our third word is detain. Detain means रोक रखना, और we can say रोके रखना. क्या तुम उसे रोक सकते हो? Can you detain him? Our fourth word is humiliate. Humiliate means guys नीचा दिखाना. तुम उसे हर बार नीचा क्यों दिखाते हो? Why you try to humiliate him always? Last but not least, our fifth word is previous. Previous means guys पिछला. क्या तुमने अपना पिछला काम कर लिया है? Have you done your previous work? So basically guys, this is the all 5 words which we have learned today, and I hope you have learned something from here. And yeah, so let's revise again. Gradually means धीरे धीरे. Wise means समझदार. Detain means रोके रखना. Humiliate means नीचा दिखाना, and previous means पिछला. So basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened till here. So from next video we will shoot the we will shoot, and we will also learn the new vocabulary. Okay, so yeah guys, I started, I think that from, I think maybe I started learning the vocabulary from 1st June. Okay, and today is the 31st August. So June, July, August. Today we have completed 3 months of daily learning of the vocabulary. So but in the 3 months, sometimes I have learned 10 vocabulary in a day, but I'll count only on the average 5 words. Okay, so let's calculate. I'm going to take 1 month is equal to 30 days. For just suppose, okay, so approx I'm telling that 30 multiplied by 3, 90 days happen, and daily 5 words, it's 450. Multiplied by 5, it's 450. So we have learned 450 words. I have learned 450 words around, but according to me that I forget some of the words, so because I'm not revising nowadays. But if I not revise, then it is totally waste if I not revise. So I have to revise it a very continuous manner and without doing any delay. So yeah, and apart of this, I'm just focusing on something, and I don't know why something it's happening nowadays, like that my mind is gonna to be distracted to the another thing, and another thing means like that my mind goes everywhere except studies. Like that I want to watch entertainment videos like movies, cartoons, like that. I don't according to me that I think that it is not good. I have to really improve it very soon, but it's literally bad which is I am doing nowadays. I have to focus on my studies, on my career. So yeah, this is the thing which I don't really like that, but I'll really appreciate my own self, and I will really improve it very soon. And I know that one day I'll detain all the my distraction, my mind. I think that one day my mind will totally develop to detain all the distraction, and it will becomes very soon. It can be happen in one day, it can be happen in 1 month or 1 year, but I want to achieve it very soon. So I think that guys it is enough for today. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.